Welcome to this video. Today we'll guide you through on how to remove TikTok you may like suggestions. So the first thing we do is open up TikTok. And once we've opened up TikTok, we will go to the search bar found on the top right corner. And in the middle of the screen, on the right side, you'll see a refresh button. And by tapping on refresh, we can change our suggestions. So this just refreshes your feed, but you can also change settings. So in order to do that, what we need to do is go to your profile button on the bottom right corner. Then on the profiles page, tap on the three lines button on the top right corner. Then from the list of options, select settings and privacy. Then select activity center on the top. And then you'll see an option that says search history. Select that. And then tap on the select button on the top right corner. So then on the bottom, you'll see a search all search history on the bottom left corner. Then tap on delete all to remove your search history. This will change how TikTok suggests videos to you. So as you can see, you've deleted all of your search history. Another thing you also can do is go back to your settings and privacy, and under content and display section, select notifications. Then under notifications, scroll down until you see an option that says personalized post suggestions. So these are all currently turned on. So turn all of them off so that TikTok does not suggest videos you don't want. And another thing you also can do is go back to your settings, and what you'll find is you'll find an option that says content and preferences. Select that. And then at the bottom, you'll see an option that says refresh your For You feed. Tap on that and then select start. So this will refresh your feed. TikTok will ask you a reason for why you're refreshing it. You can select a reason. I'm going to select irrelevant content and submit. So this will refresh your feed as well. So this is how you can remove TikTok you may like suggestions. If this was helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving us a like. It really helps us out. See you next time.